Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of the Melrose Hill bypass. Now we are going to take a drone tour of the area. Okay, so we are on the Melrose Hill bypass, which is in Manchester. It connects Porus to Williamsfield. Now we're going to just show you the existing road. So to the left now, that's a new road that was built, and to the right is the old Melrose Hill bypass. Alright, so straight ahead is a bridge. So this road is a part of the Highway 2000 project that's being built from Maypen to Mandeville. So the highway, okay, let's go through the alignment so you know where we are. The existing highway ends in Maypen, but that highway is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. So they're building it out in sections. So the section from Kingston to Maypen is open, and they're now working on the Kingston to Williamsfield leg. So that's what we're looking at today. So from Maypen to Clarendon Park, the new highway, which is Highway 2000, will run adjacent to the existing road. Then from Clarendon Park to the Melrose Hill bypass, it's going to go through the hills. It will take a new alignment and go through the hills. So when that highway that goes through the hills comes back out to the main road, which is going to be the Melrose Hill bypass, this is where it's going to come out. And that bridge is a bridge that's going to connect the Melrose Hill bypass to the Highway 2000. So when you're driving, let's say you're driving from Maypen, you would go down to Clarendon Park and then on Highway 2000, and then from Clarendon Park you drive over the hill, and then you're going to come out at this point where we are now, and you're going to go over that bridge and go on to the Melrose Hill bypass. That's the actual highway that's under construction that you're looking at now. And once you go onto the Melrose Hill bypass, that will take you up to Williamsfield. Now the entire stretch of this road is going to be 4 lanes dual carriageway, just like the existing section from Kingston to Maypen. And it is going to be a toll road. Highway 2000 is a toll road. So we're just taking a look at the area now. So that's the hill that the highway is running through, and this is the existing road. So the Melrose Hill bypass, this is actually Melrose Hill, and a bypass was built so that persons could use the area without having to go over the hill. The old road that runs through the hill is very narrow. So the Melrose Hill bypass was built. Works great, but it's now going to be incorporated into Highway 2000. But the good thing is, you don't have to pay toll to use the Melrose Hill section on Highway 2000. So that's the bridge. This is actually why the road is closed.